What caused the compressor to be replaced? It's easy to conclude that an electrical issue is the cause of a compressor needing to be replaced. In fact, 90% of the compressors that are returned to us under warranty are written up as an electrical issue. What we've found when we've torn down the compressors is actually the opposite. First off, 30% of the compressors that are returned to us are found to have no fault at all, like the compressor that we have in front of us here. As you can see with this one, there's going to be no bluing or scoring on the scroll set, which is typically an indication that there has been a problem. Of the remaining compressors that we tear down, we find that 90% of them have a mechanical issue as the root cause rather than an electrical issue. Things like overheating, oil dilution, lack of lubrication, TXV issues, TXV sizing, or non-condensable or debris in the system. These issues cause excessive strain on the compressor or wear on the bearings. When the bearings start to wear, the rotor and stator are going to actually make contact with each other. Both the contact or the excessive strain will create a short in the system, so it appears that the compressor has an electrical issue, when in fact the root cause comes down to a mechanical failure. If a root cause is not found prior to replacing the compressor, the replacement compressor is going to actually suffer the same fate as the compressor that was replaced.
For additional information or troubleshooting guides, please log in or download the Copeland mobile app at copeland.com/CopelandMobile.